And today, Lizzie and I are going to be trying out these microphones. How cool are these things? These are karaoke microphones. They're voice changers. You can also play music with them, either through Bluetooth connection or through a TF card in the bottom. But what I'm going to do is, we're going to bring the camera down. We're going to give you a closer look to just give you a quick tour of how everything works. And then we're actually going to try these out. Are you excited?
Yes.
A little bit or a lot of bit?
A lot.
Lizzie's really excited. She likes to sing. All right, let's bring the camera down. Okay, so here's the actual layout of the microphone. You actually have your buttons here. This is for skipping forward with songs, backing up songs like your MP3 player controls. This is how you play. You hold long press the power button to turn it on. This is the mode for the different voices. This one actually turns on the lights, and this one activates the music. You can control the music volume here. You can control the amount of reverb or echo right here. You can control how sensitive the mic is right here. And if you look on the bottom, you can see where your transfer card goes in. You actually have a headphone jack if you don't want everybody to hear what you're doing. You also have a USB micro for charging, and you have a standard USB hookup as well. As you can see, they're very, very shiny. This one is pink and white. There are a total of 4 different colors. So make sure if you go to checkout, you select the color you want. This is more of a rose gold colored one right here. Very classy, very nice. All right, let's go ahead and bring the camera up. Let's turn these things on and see what they can do. All right, Lizzie, you ready to power them up?
Yes.
All right.
Power on. Power on.
Yay.
Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is turn the lights on.
Should I do
I
a
think
pun?
they're... Hello. Oh, I turned them off. Now the lights are on. Hello. As you can see, when you talk, the lights are activated.
I'm going to do a pun.
All right, let's hear your pun.
Have you heard about the rumor about butter? Never mind. I shouldn't spread it.
Okay, so first, Lizzie's going to show you the different modes. Go ahead and use the mode button and switch to different voices.
Hello.
Hello. Now we're talking like chipmunks. What? How does that chipmunk song go? Christmas, Christmas, time for cheer. All right, let's switch to the next one. What's the next one?
Hello.
Hello.
Wow.
Now I have a different voice.
What do I sound like, a robot?
A mango.
Boop, beep, boop, boop, boop.
Mango.
This is Mango.
Banana.
All right, let's try the next one.
Hello.
Hello. Now I got a really deep voice.
I sound like Nightmare Mango. Hello.
Hello.
Wait.
All right, let's try another one. Hello.
Hello. Oh my god.
Somebody help me, please. Hello. Hello. What's the next one? Hello.
Hello.
Oh, now there is no effect. Just the echo. All right, I'm going to turn the echo down.
Hello.
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 See?
Hello.
I turned my echo off.
Hello.
Check 1, 2. So you can control the amount of
Hello.
echo. Okay, this is max echo. What happens if you hit music button? Oh, we don't have Bluetooth connected.
Christmas, Christmas time for cheer.
All right, we're going to go ahead. We're going to connect it to Bluetooth real fast. Whose is it going to connect to?
The
Yours or mine?
Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
So it connected to mine. Super easy, super fast. All right, let's find a song. I'm just going to play a very short bit of a song for you guys so you can hear.
Wow. Oh god. Hello.
So you can control the music volume as well. As you can see, it connected super easy to the microphone. I'm going to go ahead and stop it. So you can Bluetooth your favorite songs, but you can also put the little card in there with all your MP3s and control them with the little buttons right here. So Lizzie,
Hello. Oh, there you go.
what do you think about these microphones?
I think that I'm gonna have the whole family listen to my puns.
Now Lizzie's going to be a full-time comedian. What was the last thing Batman told Robin before getting in the Batmobile?
What?
Hey Robin, get in the Batmobile.
Ha ha.
Boom. Alright, so as you can see, they're very, very versatile little microphones. Lizzie's quite excited about these because she's our singer and our actress and our performer in the house. And they work really well. The Bluetooth speaker is loud enough. You can sing to your favorite songs. You can also record yourself as well. Just a ton of features. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.
Bye.